Car insurance can feel like reading a foreign language. Deductibles, liability, collision, comprehensive. Where do you even start? But choosing the right coverage doesn't have to be a headache. Here's the breakdown. At the very least, you need liability insurance. That's what covers the other person's damages if you're at fault in an accident. Most states make this mandatory. Next is collision coverage. This protects your car if you hit another vehicle or even a tree or pole. If you've got a newer ride, this one's worth keeping. Then comes comprehensive coverage. Think of it as everything else. Theft, fire, vandalism, hailstorms, even if a deer runs across the road, this covers it. Don't forget uninsured motorist coverage. Believe it or not, millions of drivers don't have insurance. If one of them hits you, this keeps you safe from paying out of pocket. Now, how much coverage do you really need? Here's the golden rule. Enough to protect your assets. If you own a home or have savings, go higher on liability limits. And always balance your deductible. A higher deductible lowers your monthly premium, but means more out of pocket if you file a claim. So, shop around, compare quotes, and tailor your plan. The right coverage isn't the cheapest one. It's the one that saves you from a financial nightmare.